Welcome back students to standard 10th maths chapter 11 construction, and we are into the 5th session. Alright, in the previous session we learned how to construct tangents to a given circle from a point in its exterior. We still continue the constructions. Now it's number 2 of similar type, but there is slight difference in the question. The base is the same. Okay, let's check it out. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. You have to also measure the length of the tangent. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Children, the length of the tangent can also be found by actual calculation, and that would be clear to you when you draw the figure. Okay? After you draw the figure, the picture would be clear how to calculate and find the measurement of length of tangent. Okay? So, what did you understand from the question? There are two concentric circles. One with radius 4 centimeter and other with radius 6 centimeter. Of course, the circles are concentric, so they have the same center. Okay, first I'll draw a circle with center O and radius 4. So let's take radius 4. Here it is. I'll draw it from the center. Very thick pencil, children. ऐसी पेंसिल बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगी. I'll bear this, but this pencil won't work. Children, it's too thick. This is a circle with center O and radius, of course, 4 centimeter. Now you have to draw a circle with same center O, but radius 6. Alright. So center I am keeping the same, and the radius is 6. This pencil is too thick, dark but thick. Alright, so you have drawn the two concentric circles, one with radius 4 centimeter and other with radius 6 centimeter. Yes, from a point on a circle of radius 6 centimeter. That means the outer circle. Let's take one point here. Here is point P on a circle with center O and radius 6. You have to draw the tangent to the smaller circle with center O and radius 4. Is that clear? So how do you do that? Array children, just forget this outer circle. आपके पास inner circle है और point P outside. ये point P is in the exterior of smaller circle. So पहले आप क्या करते हैं? Draw the line segment OP. ठीक है. This pencil is nice. Right? Drawn the line segment OP. Okay. Now we have to obtain its midpoint. Do you remember, children? Okay. So center P लेके एक circle draw करेंगे. Radius more than half. अपर हाफ प्लेन, लोअर हाफ प्लेन, पहला आर्क थोड़ा बड़ा ड्रॉ करेंगे. सेंटर इसके साथ, माय गॉड, वही आ गया. एनीवे, इट इंटरसेक्ट्स हियर एंड हियर. ऑलराइट, सो ड्रॉ द लाइन पासिंग थ्रू दिस टू पॉइंट्स. बड़े हल्के हाथ से ड्रॉ करो. सी, ऑलराइट, दिस इज लाइन एल, द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ ओपी, intersecting OP in point M. Now you have to construct circle with center M and radius OM. See this, okay? लेकिन पूरा सर्कल ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओनली ये और ये और एक ही टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करो, because you are asked to draw only one tangent. So you got this point, right? I'll draw the tangent. Let's say this point is A, so tangent is PA. You have to measure it. Alright? Let's measure it, children. It is 4.5. PA is 4.5 centimeter. All right, children. अब actual calculation से कैसे? तो you know OP is bigger radius. So OP is 6 centimeter. Am I right? OP is the radius of the outer circle, which is 6 given. And OA is the radius of smaller circle, that is 4 given. And this is perpendicular. So actual calculation. See, the picture is clear now. If you want to find the length of the tangent PA, you have to use Pythagoras. Okay, OP square is equal to OA square plus AP square या PA square. OP it's 6 square is equal to OA square plus AP की जगह पे PA लिख रहा हूं, it's one and the same. So 6 square minus 4 square is equal to PA square, i.e. PA square is equal to 6 plus 4 into 6 minus 4. Therefore, PA square is equal to 10 into 2. Therefore, PA is equal to root 20. Square root of 20. Alright? Square root of 20 is approximately 4.5, which is approximately equal to 4.5 centimeter. आपको root 20 ढूंढना पड़ेगा, which is approximately 4.5 centimeter. Is that clear to you? Okay, children. Now, how will you write the steps of construction? Steps of construction. Children, the two concentric circles are given. So, first step I'll write like this. Concentric circles. Circle with center O and radius 4 and circle with center O and radius 6 centimeter are given. ठीक है? Plot any point P on circle with center O and radius 6. Draw. फिर आप ये point P लिया outer circle पे and then draw line segment OP. Then we have constructed line L. Construct a line L, the perpendicular bisector of OP intersecting OP at point M. Then what you have? Circle with center M and radius OM. Construct a circle with center M and radius OM which cuts the inner circle, right? Circle with center O and radius O at point A. एक ही लिया मैंने, दूसरा नहीं लिया, because only one tangent have to be drawn. It's not tangents. और ये tangent भी draw कर लिया तो भी length तो same ही आने वाली है, correct? Okay. Draw PA and measure it. Measure it. PA is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and that is the length of the tangent. Required tangent. Required tangent PA is thus constructed. Is that clear to you, children? Fine. I hope you have understood. Right. I'm telling you, these lines are very thick. I should be changing the pencil. Okay. But right now, I'm not doing so. Fine. Moving on to the next one. And that is number 3. Let's see what this statement has to tell us and what we are supposed to construct. Okay. Draw circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. वो सर्कल का एक डायमीटर को आपको एक्सटेंड करना है, and on the extended part you have to take 2 points P and Q. each at a distance 7 centimeter from the center. Yes, how far is this 2 points P and Q from the center? 7 centimeter. Draw the tangents to the circle from these 2 points. Alright. First I'll construct a circle with center O and radius 3. Steps देखते जाओ क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग. This is 3 centimeter. Center में ले लेता हूं. Alright. This is a circle with center O and radius, of course, 3 centimeter. I'm going to extend one diameter. एक diameter को मैं extend कर रहा हूं. Alright. See, one diameter is extended. Of course, this is diameter here. Alright. उसका कुछ नाम दे दूं. Yes, AB is the diameter. Now there are 2 points on the extended part, P and Q, such that the distance from the center is 7 centimeter each. So I'll take this 7. Yes, that's it. ये 7 है. Okay. Center O लेके A बाजू एक arc और A बाजू एक arc. This point I'm going to call it P, and this point let it be Q, as they have said. Okay, children? Now, yes, you have to draw tangent to the circle from point P as well as from point Q. क्या करेंगे children? Q, how far it is from center? OQ, उसका perpendicular bisector. Correct? वो सेंटर मिल जाएगा, फिर कट करो, सो 2 टेंजेंट मिल गए. इज दैट क्लियर? सेम वे, हाउ टू ड्रॉ टेंजेंट्स टू दिस सर्कल फ्रॉम पॉइंट P? यस, सेंटर और P के बीच का डिस्टेंस परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करो, गेट इट्स मिड पॉइंट, और वो सेंटर लेके इतना रेडियस लेके सर्कल ड्रॉ करो विद कट्स दिस सर्कल इनटू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट्स, और वो 2 टेंजेंट मिल गए. दैट्स इट. लेट्स डू इट. सेंटर Q ले लिया, मिड पॉइंट रफली लिया, उससे ज्यादा लेना है. अपर हाफ प्लेन में एक आर्क, लोअर हाफ प्लेन में आर्क. ये सेंटर ले लो. चिल्ड्रन, ये साथ में ये बाजू भी काम कर ही देता हूं, क्योंकि सेंटर और सेंटर P लेना है, मैंने रेडियस बदला ही नहीं. सो वो काम यहां से भी हो सकता है. हो गया. करेक्ट. नाउ बी केयरफुल. सेंटर Q ले लिया, मिड पॉइंट रफली लिया, उससे ज्यादा लेना है. अपर हाफ प्लेन में एक आर्क, लोअर हाफ प्लेन में आर्क. ये सेंटर ले लो. चिल्ड्रन, ये साथ में ये बाजू भी काम कर ही देता हूं, क्योंकि सेंटर और सेंटर P लेना है, मैंने रेडियस बदला ही नहीं. सो वो काम यहां से भी हो सकता है. हो गया. करेक्ट. नाउ बी केयरफुल. ये परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर मिलेगा आपको. दिस इज लाइन L. हल्के हाथ से दिस पॉइंट इज वन ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट. हल्के हाथ से दूसरी लाइन ड्रॉ करो. लेट्स कॉल दिस एज लाइन L and this as M. This intersects at capital L and this intersects at capital M. Correct children? अब क्या करेंगे? M सेंटर लेंगे और रेडियस OM which intersects this circle in 2 distinct points. Alright? उसको ये Q है, सो Q डैश बोलता हूं और उसको Q डबल डैश बोलता हूं. ऑलराइट, आप ड्रॉ कर दीजिए द टेंजेंट्स. Q Q डैश और Q Q डबल डैश. These are the 2 tangents. उसी तरह now we are going to construct circle with center A and radius OA which intersects the circle at points. ये P है, इसको P डैश बोलता हूं, इसको P डबल डैश बोलता हूं. सो P P डैश is one of the tangent here, and P double dash is the other tangent, children. Ye raha. So you have drawn the tangents. I hope that is clear to you. The construction is over. Bas, draw the tangents. So ho gaya. Steps of constructions. Steps of construction. Let's write down, children. First, circle with center O and radius 3 is given. Alright? Or you may write construct, doesn't matter. P and Q are points on extended diameter AB such that OP equal to OQ equal to 7 centimeter. Clear? Alright. Now what you do? You don't have to draw line segment OQ because it is already there. Construct line L and M. दोनों साथ में लिखेंगे. Construct lines. दो construct कर रहे lines. L and M. The perpendicular bisectors of L is perpendicular bisector of OP and M is perpendicular bisector of OQ. Intersecting, of course, OP and OQ at points L and M respectively. Clear? उसके बाद हमने क्या किया? You have constructed circle with center L and radius OL. Then you have constructed circle with center M and radius OM. और दोनों इसमें intersect करते हैं. ये अलग point लिखेंगे. Pay attention here. Construct a circle with center L and radius OL which cuts circle, the original one, with center O and radius 3 at points P and P dash and P double dash actually. Correct? Then you are constructing circle with center M. Construct a circle with center M and radius OM which cuts, yes of course, original circle with center O and radius 3 at points Q dash and Q double dash. Q dash and Q double dash. Finished. Draw rays PP dash, PP double dash, Q dash and Q double dash. Finished. Required tangents to circle with center O and radius 3 from points P and Q are thus constructed. Quite easy, children. I hope you have understood. Good. So children, we move on to the fourth one. It's based on the same concept. We have to construct tangents to a circle from a point in its exterior. But if you read the statement, the picture will be something different. Let's see what is the question and how we can construct it. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Alright. Take a point A as the center. Is segment AB, take A as the center. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. And taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Construct tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. Children, first let us take line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. I'll take here directly, children. I'll take here directly. चलिए, this is it and this is first mark. I'll join them. This is line segment AB and the length is 8 centimeter. Now see children, I've changed the pencil. This is better pencil. For center A लो, radius 4. चलिए radius 4 ले लो, center A. All right, ये center A ले लिया, radius 4 वाला सर्कल हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. Clear? See, now this is nice pencil. And taking B as the center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Now radius आपको बदलना है 3, इसका 4 और इसका 3 plus 4 7, जबकि distance between A and B is 8, so the circles will not intersect. So here is a circle with center B and radius 3. All right children, done. हमने क्या किया वो देख लेते हैं. Draw line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. We did that. Taking A center, draw circle of radius 4 centimeter. We did that. And taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. We did that also. Now what we are supposed to construct? Construct tangents. Of course tangents to each circle. You construct tangent to this circle from the center of the other circle. If you take this circle with center A, you have to draw the tangents to this circle from B. And if you consider this circle with center B, you construct tangents from A, that is the center of the other circle. Is that clear to you children? अब एक चीज बहुत ही अच्छी है, वो क्या है? Let's consider the big circle. Its center is A and point B is in the exterior. आपको ये सर्कल दिखाई नहीं देना चाहिए for a moment. नहीं है ऐसे समझो. So B is the point in the exterior. Already it is joined with the center. आपको इसका perpendicular bisector ले लेना है और वो पॉइंट लेकर सेंटर ले लो और इस सेंटर से डिस्टेंस लेके आर्क कट करो. सो ये दो टेंजेंट मिल गए. ठीक है. नाउ आपको ये सर्कल एंड पॉइंट ए इज इन द एक्सटीरियर. फॉर अ मोमेंट आपको ये नहीं दिखाई देता, ऐसे बिहेव करो. ऑलराइट, तो सर्कल, स्मॉलर सर्कल विद सेंटर बी, पॉइंट ए इज इन द एक्सटीरियर. ऑलराइट, तो दिस लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग द एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट एंड द सेंटर इज ऑलरेडी देयर. उसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, अरे उसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर हमने पहले से ही ड्रॉ किया. तो अब सेंटर ये लो और रेडियस ये लेके कट करो. सो यू विल गेट यस टेंजेंट्स. आई होप दैट इज क्लियर. फाइन. अब परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर के लिए ये मिड पॉइंट अप्रोक्सीमेटली उससे ज्यादा लेता हूं, अपर हाफ प्लेन में, लोअर हाफ प्लेन में. सेंटर ए लिया अभी, अपर हाफ प्लेन में, लोअर हाफ प्लेन में. लाइट लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे पासिंग थ्रू दिस 2 पॉइंट्स विच इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. हल्के हाथ से ड्रॉ करो. दिस इज लाइन एल एंड इट इंटरसेक्ट्स. बी केयरफुल हियर एट पॉइंट एम. यस, आपको सर्कल विथ सेंटर एम एंड रेडियस एम ड्रॉ करना है विच कट्स दिस बिगर वन. वो काम हो गया. आपको सर्कल विथ सेंटर एम और रेडियस एम भी ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है, वो काम भी, क्योंकि ये तो एम भी है, देखा. सो वो काम भी हो गया. चिल्ड्रन, लेट मी से दिस पॉइंट इज P and this is Q. This point is R and this point is S. Yes, AP is one tangent, AQ is another tangent, BR is the third tangent and BS is the fourth tangent. सब tangents मिल गए आपको. Is that clear to you? So you have constructed tangents to larger circle from a point B in its exterior, which is center of the other circle. You have also constructed tangents to smaller circle from point A, which is in its exterior, which is actually center of the larger circle. Correct? Chaliye. Are you ready for the steps of construction? Let's see. Steps of construction. first. Okay, draw या construct, you may write line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. उसके बाद construct circles, a circle with center A and radius O, and a circle with center B and radius 3. That's it. Okay, उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? Yes, construct a line L, the perpendicular bisector of AB, which cuts AB at point M. उसके बाद ओके, ये मैं सेपरेटली लिखता हूं. कंस्ट्रक्ट अ सर्कल विथ सेंटर M, और इस तरफ रेडियस AM, which cuts circle with center A and radius O at points R and S. उसी तरह construct a circle with center M but radius BM, which cuts this circle with center B and radius 3 at points P and Q. Finished. Draw rays AP, AQ, BR and BS. Required tangents AP, AQ, BR and BS are thus constructed. That's it. These are the steps of construction. Children, please enter these constructions in your notebook. On one page, see, you will have your notebook like this, correct? आपकी notebook बीच में से ऐसे रहेगी ना, ऐसे. So on one page you do the construction work, and on the other page you write the steps. That is the best way of presenting your construction answer, even in the board examination. ये दोनों पेज ओपन होने चाहिए आपकी सप्लीमेंट्री के. एक पेज ऊपर कंस्ट्रक्शन, दूसरे पेज के ऊपर स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन. It becomes very convenient for the examiner to correct. Okay, so you have to keep your examiner happy, pleased with your work. Correct, children? Okay, so that's all in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.